Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown back with another video for you. And in this video, I want to introduce you to a new profit center that we have with Nexus Rewards. Another reason to get involved in this amazing, powerful opportunity. If you're into health and wellness and nutrition, then this is something you definitely want to check out. Okay, so stay with me for the next few minutes, and we're going to get right into this. Okay.
Pure Life, and it's multiple streams of income for you. Okay, it's seamless. It just happens. It's natural. You don't have to do anything, right? As you're enrolling people, whether you're enrolling them any of the levels, free, ultimately basic, or the premium member, they're going to log into the back office and they're going to see information about this company called Pure Life. Now, I don't know if you can see, that's Rob and that's me. And these are the owners and actually a top producer with the Pure Life Global company from like 20 years ago. Okay, that's how long we've known these guys. And actually, that's how long I've been using Pure Life products. 2003. 21 years. Okay, that's how long I've been using. I love these products. They're great. They're really focused on one key ingredient, Moringa oleifera. Okay, it's the world's most nutrient-rich plant on the planet. It's got so many nutrients. It's got so much good stuff in it. If you find out about Moringa oleifera, you're going to say, why am I not taking this every single day? It's amazing, the health benefits that this associated with this plant. And this is the best formula, okay? What you're going to get, if you want it to incorporate or try some of this stuff, because you're a Nexus member, you're going to pay 50% less than what even Pure Life members pay. Okay? This is what Rob and I negotiated with these guys. They said, well, we want a deal for our members. Okay? We want a deal for them. So we got a 50% deal. Cut the prices in half and you'll get access to this stuff. It's amazing. And we're going to pay 70% commissions on them. So, we pay 6 levels of override. So if someone in your team orders Pure Life, any of the Pure Life products at the 50% off, you're going to make some money. You can make some money. Okay, you can make some money. The cool thing is, it's automatic sales. I was talking to someone just before, I forget his name. I don't want to, but just before we started the recording, he said, okay, I've come in, I've upgraded, I'm a premium member, I got my Pure Life thing. So somebody just made money. Somebody just made money. And he just clicked on a link in his back office, saw a little video, 2-minute video, and said, yeah, that sounds great. So it's hands off, it's seamless. Again, it's just another profit center for you. It's going to put more money. Why not put some more money? So to get the details, log into your members area. You'll see a Pure Life Profits tab. Pure Life Profits. What the heck is that? And that's exactly what happens. When someone comes in, even for the first time, they're going through the members area. They're seeing the different tabs, right? Getting started and the different tabs. There's the VIP travel, and then there's this one tab and it says Pure Life Profits. Right? So they click on that, watch a video, boom. Makes sense for them to order. Honestly, once you see the video, it makes sense. Order the product one time, because it's going to activate a profit center for you for life. Right now, it's for life. Okay. But again, another deal we negotiated. It's a promo for launching this program. It's not going to be for life forever. So if you haven't done it yet, click that Pure Life Profits tab, because the best deal ever is right now. Okay, it's going to change, but right now it's up there. Okay, so that's good. It's a new profit center, and it's seamless. It just keeps coming over and over again. Okay, business building tools.
Okay, in one of my next videos, I'm going to cover effective business building tools. Look, we've got everything you need to build a profitable, successful business with Nexus Rewards, okay? Okay, so Nexus Rewards is the world's most lucrative $10 program where dreams become a reality. Nexus Rewards is the ultimate cashback, savings, and referral program. So sign up now and start saving money on things you are already buying, things like gas and groceries, dining out, travel, home improvement, clothing, and so much more, online and offline. Folks, we've got the plan. All you've got to do is grab hold of the plan and work it. Why? Because it works. There you have it. I'm Terry Brown. Grab the link in the description area of this video, get signed up, and start building your business today. And you've got all the help that you will need. All right? Okay. Bye-bye now.